Okay. So we see here, this one, we put this honeybee in the long time not make, almost a little bit forgot. Use this long wire here. Okay, keep it. The short wire I cut it 15. Long wire I cut it 25. 10 inch for this long wire. And how to make it? Start at 5. Start it at 5. Okay, fold it here. Okay, and use the round plier at this part, and make a twist here. Tight, and then need to make it this way here. Then put the small cute piece beads inside here. Do this way. So got it this way. Then VB, here your total. So after make is like this. Then I'm wrap it around the black beads. Here. Okay. Thank you. Last time the bookmark maybe something. No problem. I prepare something else for you. Okay. So here the wire this way. Then we're going to fold it, make it the shape. Yeah. Here, this one, fold it, and wrap it. And wrap it at this part, the honeybee. Okay. Then the other side is the same. We'll make it a small cute wrapper. And tight. So it's the small cute winger. Okay. This design for the honeybee, you need to confirm the beads hole is big enough to go through the double 20 gauge wire. We are use this one. Some hole beads is not so much big enough, so need to confirm the beads hole is enough. Yeah. Then we go the head for a small beads. I going to get another beads that's the hole piece bigger. Let's test if this tiger eye the hole not enough bigger, even it's bigger. So I'm going to use a pearl so that I can drill the hole. Yes. Pearl can be drilled the hole bigger. Test. Not enough, so I'm going to drill the hole. You change a bit. 124 is your total EL. Yeah, 124. 124 is your total box EL, my dear. 124. Hi, Gigi. Happy to see you. EL. Okay. I'm going to get a big size bit. I'm here. Hi, can you share the setup to Jehur? Share the setup. What's the meaning? Setup to Jehur. The block. This. I sell this one, and I sell the jar and the block, the vis. Do you mean this part or this? This one in my shop, you can check it here. It's here. In my shop here, DIY for you. And you search the DIY tools. It's this one. Same one, just the color different. It's 5.9. Yeah, 5.9 here. This, yes, this one. $5.9. Yeah. I changed the bit size to 1.5. Yeah, you can add it from web shop. But if you buy the gel already, gel inside have this already. Okay, that's work. Okay. The pearl I put inside. Yeah. If you just draw a little bit piece, that's not a big problem. Like this with the pearl. Yeah. Then we'll separately yeah, it's a cute bee, honeybee. The end of the bee, we're going to make it like this to lock the shape. Okay, so it's a honeybee finish. Yeah, what size was the black beads, please? 10 millimeter. And this one is about 6. About 6, and the black is the 10. Black is 10. So that's the first time I've ever seen you make. Yes, first time make, a long time not try this honeybee. So you can make it as for a earring hang on necklace, or on the earring make a pendant by yourself. Yeah, it's interesting. Make this here. So honeybee earring here, or this hook. Okay.